Welcome to Somali Tutorials. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting topics, how to make money online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, these 5 methods can help you earn from the comfort of your home. Let's get started. 1. Freelancing. Visual, display websites like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. First up is freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or even virtual assistants, platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer can connect you with clients looking for your expertise. Freelancing allows you to work on your own terms and build a portfolio. 2. Affiliate marketing. Show screenshots of affiliate programs or commissions. Next is affiliate marketing. This involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral. Websites like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer affiliate programs where you can sign up and start promoting. 3. Online courses and ebooks. Feature platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or a cover of an ebook. If you're knowledgeable about a specific topic, creating an online course or writing an ebook can be a great way to monetize your expertise. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or even Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a global audience. 4. Dropshipping. Show an online store setup or a product supply chain. Fourth on the list is dropshipping. This e-commerce model allows you to sell products without holding inventory. When a customer buys a product from your online store, the order is fulfilled by a third-party supplier. Shopify is a popular platform to get started with dropshipping. 5. Content creation on YouTube or blogging. Show a YouTube channel or a blog interface. Finally, content creation is a powerful way to make money online. Whether it's through YouTube videos, blogging, or podcasts, creating valuable content can attract an audience and generate income through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Consistency and quality are key here. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and share.